Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are good. So today I will teach you how to make money with Canva for free, and we don't need a website for that. We just need to have some knowledge about Canva, and I will teach you like how to work on Canva and how we can make money through that. So first of all, we'll just go to Etsy.com. You might have heard about this website. So right now I'll just search Instagram template, and you can see that here are lots of listing for Instagram templates. I'll just open one of them, and as you can see that there are other listings as well. So let's find someone interesting, and let me click on that. So as you can see that this template cost is $15, and you can see that how many sales have been made. If I'll calculate them uh, and multiply with the per sale, so you can see that it's 6,11,250 dollars that they have earned through that. So you can see that lots of people are buying this, and they are reviewing as well. Now I will search YouTube thumbnail here. Basically I'm just trying to show you that there are lots of listing for the content that we can create on Canva. As you can see that there are YouTube thumbnails, and there are Facebook posts as well. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open Google keyword tool. So I'll just show you on how we can go to that. We can just write it down, Google keyword planner. Basically you don't need to do that. I am just showing you just to give you an idea of how we can research something before before investing our time into that. So right now I have just searched Instagram template, and as you can see that there are so many searches on that particular keyword on Google. These are just monthly searches, so these much people are searching on Google every month. This is not exact, but like somehow Google give this data on their keyword planner. And we can search other things as well, just like I have searched YouTube thumbnail. You can search Facebook post as well, and you can create them like that depending on your skills. So now let me quickly go to canva.com, and we'll show you how we can design that. So let's focus on Instagram templates, because you can see that there are 200 posts that this person has been posted for one kind of posts. So we can create 100 posts as well. We can create 50 posts and decrease the amount, or we can add 500 posts and increase the amount. So that totally depends on us. So let's create the post now. I'm just writing Instagram post, and I'll show you like how many templates are there. So you can see that we can choose any of the templates from these templates, but I'll start with the blank one to give you an idea of how we can create these templates so easily. So I'll just choose a template from these grid, and now you can see that if we'll go to those templates, and these side layouts that are showing, they are pretty similar. So I'll just choose this template for now, and we can make it look just like they are selling on Etsy. So what we can do is we just need to focus on the color scheme first. We need to make sure that we are using a one color theme for all the posts, so that it will look good, right? So for the color schemes, what I need to do is we need to follow a proper pattern for the colors. That we can do it by going to styles. So in by going to styles, we can choose any color palette from here, and you can see that the post colors will get changed automatically. And if I'll create apply to all changes below all designs, then all the designs colors will be updated automatically. So that's how it can be done. So now what I'll do is I'll just add three different templates here, just to show you that how we can apply the color palette to all the pages. at a time. So I'll just choose these three templates from here, and I will just go to styles, and from styles I'll choose a color palette. As you can see that I've chosen this one, the red one. So the all the templates design is changed, and now I'll choose the blue one. Like you can see that I'll apply to all pages, and you can see that it is looking good to all the templates. So this is how we can follow a particular color scheme or text scheme in all the designs, to make sure that people like who are looking at our image on Etsy, they like it. Because if our text will be different, then they'll definitely not like it. Okay, so for now I'll just show you my personal designs here, because it's not like I'm just telling you and I'm not doing that myself. I'm also creating these posts myself for the Etsy. And for the dummy content, as you can see here, I'll show you how we can get the dummy content from the internet on Google. Just write it down, dummy content, and from here you can get the text, the dummy text that you can show add in your posts, and there will be no copyright on these. And for the title, you can add your title, and for description you can add this dummy content here. So you can see that how I have created these posts by following a particular color scheme, black and red and white. For the photos that you can see here, these photos I took from the Canva stock images. Like here I can search man, and you will see that these photos will come up, and you can see that I've chosen the first one, this one. I chose this one. If we want me to replace that, then I'll use this one and just drag and drop, and that's it. So this is how we can replace the images. And for the, like, if you don't want to use those images, then what we can do is we can go to google.com and search free stock images. You can see here that lots of websites will come up, like these pixels.com, unsplash.com, pixabay.com. These are free stock images websites. We can open three of them. You can just search anything here. Like for now I'll just search cat images. So you can see that I can use any of them. Basically these are royalty free images, so there will not be any copyright issues if I'll use them. If I download from Google, then we can get copyright issues in future. So that is why please make sure that you are using the right images. So right now I'm showing this is a creative market, and instead of Etsy we can also sell on this particular platform. This is just like Etsy. I mean, along with Etsy we can sell on this one. You can see that people are selling their templates on this particular website as well. So there are these two websites. You can also sell it on Amazon if you can, but I didn't see any such designs on Amazon, so I don't know if that will work for Amazon or not. But these two we can definitely sell on these two platforms. So that's it for the video for now. Hope you guys liked it. So if you guys liked it, then please do subscribe my YouTube channel and give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.